A U0100 code on your Dodge Ram means the powertrain control module has lost communication with the network. You can resolve this issue by cleaning the TIPM connectors and securing the main PCM ground wire behind the battery. This communication failure often triggers a complete no-start condition. The engine will crank but completely refuse to fire up. The central computer network shuts down the fuel and ignition systems as a safety precaution. The first step is locating the totally integrated power module under the hood. You need to disconnect the negative battery terminal before touching any electrical components. Lift the TIPM up and carefully inspect the large green and blue harness connectors underneath. Green crusty corrosion on these pins is the leading cause of the U0100 code on Ram trucks. Use a high-quality electrical contact cleaner to clear away any buildup on these connections. Next, you must verify the primary ground connection for the PCM. Follow the wiring harness down from the computer on the firewall to the inner fender well. A loose or heavily rusted ground stud will disrupt the CAN bus communication lines instantly. Remove the ground bolt and sand the metal surface bare to ensure a solid electrical connection. Reattach the terminal tightly and coat it in dielectric grease to prevent future rust. Finally, you should check the CAN bus twisted pair wires near the exhaust manifold. Extreme heat can melt the protective loom and cause these communication wires to short against the engine block. Inspect the yellow and green twisted wires for any exposed copper. Wrap any damaged sections with high-heat electrical tape and secure the harness away from the exhaust shield. Clear the codes with your scanner and perform a standard drive cycle to verify the repair.